When the time flies by, I be chillin', no lie. Look at all these flying high, cause we fly for hype. When the vibe's right, and the time's right, we go down to chillin'. And the time right, when the vibe's right, we can go out to chillin'.
If only you guys understood how long I've been playing with my lighting. If only you guys understood. Woo! What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of Flight for Hype. That's right, baby, where we talk sneakers, right, man? It's your boy CJ coming to you guys with another sneaker review. And if you know, you know, I've been waiting for this one for months. Okay, about a month. I'm capping. But before we get into everything, I gotta say, evolution is a beautiful thing. To take something as classic as the 1973 Nike Blazers, the very first Nike silhouette sneaker to debut the Nike swoosh, and take it, and we've seen it in so many different iterations, so many different colorways, so many different materials. But sometimes there comes along that one collaboration, guys. That one brand that really pushes the boundary and sets the bar to take something as classic and to keep the classic silhouette and to pay homage to it, and to be able to bring, you know what, before I completely nerd out, before I get into everything I'm about to talk about, you know what we do here, pre-recording turn up, let's jump into it. Aha!
Different homes for different seasons.
Shout out to Crown.
If you didn't know, I like bitches that got bitches too.
Woo!
I might just hit me a lick or two.
What is going on, YouTube family? We are back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to another sneaker review, man. Woo! These bad boys right here, y'all know I've been waiting for them for so long, man. Since I saw them like back in the summertime when I first did my video, man. But before we get into the details, now a little bit about Readymade, the brand. They are a streetwear company based out in Japan, ran by the CEO Yota Hosokawa. Hopefully I did not butcher his name, but this man is a complete genius. A lot of their style is all about recycling old clothing, more specifically US Army vintage clothing. So a lot of the clothing that they use looks very aged, and it's got a very army-esque vibe to it. You see a lot of olives, a lot of beige, a lot of burgundy, really dope stuff. So when I seen that Readymade and Nike were doing this amazing collab, as soon as I saw the sneakers, you can ask anybody who knows me, I was on them 100% without a doubt, man. So let's jump into the details of these sneakers because there's a lot to go over. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so jumping into the details, starting off at the toe cap, we have a nice layered rubber that moves up to the toe box, where we have this nice new reworked cotton material. This is a great material because this material will never crease. No creasing issues at all, guys, so that's already a big plus for these sneakers. Coming along the lateral side of the sneakers, we have some more reworked rubber material that does an amazing job of giving off a very reworked look to the sneaker. In fact, it almost looks like it's not done, as the black panel isn't even stitched down to the collar behind it. We have more of the recycled cotton material exposed right in behind. Now, the Nike swoosh that is used is actually paying homage to the original Nike swoosh logo that was sketched back in 1971, and even the swoosh is almost falling off of the sneaker with a nice unfinished look to it as well. Moving our way to the heel of the sneaker, we have some more recycled rubber with the Readymade logo and the Nike swoosh that resembles the recycling logo that we all know so well. At the heel, they have added a nice pull tab that adds a nice detail to the back of the sneaker. Moving up to the heel of the sneaker, we have a camouflage inspired graphic which exposes the foam. The camo really does contrast so well with the total orange Nike swoosh. Coming along the medial side of the sneaker, we have more of the same from the lateral side with the black rubber unfinished paneling and the total orange Nike swoosh. Moving down to the midsole, this is where the sneaker really catches people off guard. What's usually a smooth rubber finish to the average midsole, Readymade has stepped it up and made it rigid and uneven finish to the midsole. Flipping it down to the outsole, we see the rubber Nike grind finish. This isn't the first time we see Nike do this, but it fits so well with the up recycling branding from the Readymade brand themselves. This is a perfect way to blend both brands in together. All right guys, so let's talk about the lacing system here guys. When I say they were definitely doing some different stuff with the lacing system, as you can see, we have two different laces. We have a gray with a little bit of white trim, and we have kind of like a grayish, almost like silver lacing that only runs up halfway up the sneaker itself. And then you have these like electric green bands that come across both ways, and they're like rubberized. Really cool, man. Like that's the one pop of the sneaker that really made me be like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna cop these for sure, without a doubt. Like I love the small details, I love the aesthetic of the laces. And you know what, at first when I saw laces, I was like, man, these are gonna be really hard to put on, but really they're not. As with the tongue, you still have more of that camouflage finish with the Nike tag in white and red, and the RE, which stands for Ready Made. All right guys, so this is a size 10 with the color code of black, total orange, and bass gray. I gotta say the entire experience of the box is really cool. I mean, it looks like a garbage dumpster. You got the Ready Made on one side of the box, and on the other side you have Ready Made in a graffiti with the no public use sign there. I gotta say the entire experience, just opening up the box, just really paid homage to the recycled, reusing clothing style-esque vibe that I got. You got the wrapping paper that's like, you know, looks like the back of a garbage dump. Like really cool, man. Big shouts out to Ready Made and Nike for coming out with this really dope collab. Definitely my sneaker of the year, no cap. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed my detailed look at the sneaker itself. I was trying something different with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below. Let's talk a little bit about the resale value. Now in the beginning, a lot of people were not feeling the sneaker. You know, there wasn't a lot of hype around it. Nobody was talking about the sneaker, but then all of a sudden, Travis Scott was seen wearing the sneaker and boom, the internet blew up, the hype beast blew up, the Nike heads blew up, and everybody wanted to get their hands on a pair of these. Now there is another colorway, we all know it's the white ones, but for a lot of people that don't know, Ready Made actually released a friends and family colorway as well too, which in my opinion, it's not that nice. As you can see, it's not as popping as this one, but it's definitely very much low-key and still goes with the Ready Made aesthetic. So looking really nice. You know, Ready Made, I was like, Ready Made should just send me one, I'm not gonna lie. But let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So these came out at $210 Canadian, and they literally sold out in like 1 second, in like 5 seconds. We made a video on it, me and Jordan made a video on it, and they sold out right there in my face. And I was completely like, I was devastated. I was like, okay, well, I'm not buying no more sneakers from Nike. Like I'm done. Like that was my attitude. Then I saw them on Go, and you know, I had some money in my pocket in the right places, and I went for it. I went for the kill. And honestly, I don't know if you guys ever felt this, but you ever just got a sneaker and you're like, if I don't buy another sneaker for the rest of my life, I'm good. That's what these give me. That's the energy that these sneakers give me right here. Like I don't need to buy another Nike shoe. Like that's the kind of vibes these sneakers give me right here. I'm gonna be rocking them all the time. And one thing I do want to add as well too, you know, even though the sneaker does have a very deconstructive look, a deconstructive vibe, they're built to last. They're very durable. Like I was saying in the detail look, you can see that the midsole has like a nice layering to it. Also the midsole itself, you know, that unfinished, that bubblingness to it is gonna keep it sturdy, guys. Even the side panel itself, the fact that it comes loose a little bit, it's still durable enough. Like you feel like you could wear these in the wintertime and they'll survive. So the durability of the sneaker is absolutely fire. Alrighty guys, I mean, that's enough of my ranting, guys. You guys let me know in the comment section below, man, how you guys are feeling about these sneakers. Did I get a good cop? Man, I know I got a good cop, but I want to hear from you guys what your opinion on the Nike Ready Made Blazers are, guys. Let me know, would you cop? Which one was your favorite colorway, the white or the black? Or do you like the friends and family one that they put up, but you know, it's only for the higher ups, you know what I'm saying? The higher ups, you know what I mean? But honestly, Ready Made, you guys should just send me one with my name on it. But anyways, let me know in the comment section below if you are brand new to this channel, man. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. If you guys love all of our reviews, all of our challenges, and all of our little skits that we do before and after some of our videos too. So we definitely appreciate it, and apologize for the lighting, guys. I'm telling you, I will get better lights. Just give me some time, Trust me, I'm only getting better. I'm only growing each and every time I make a video. So appreciate you guys for checking me out, and the light went out again. What is going on? Guys, the light just went out. Honestly, this is my second day doing this review. Yesterday, I was trying to do the review, and like I hadn't, like, none of my words were like properly being articulated at all. And then today, like, I've just had so much issues with this damn lighting system in my place right now. It's driving me crazy. But anyways, enough of that, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to my review of the Nike X Ready-Made Blazers, guys. Definitely a grail in my collection. I'm gonna have them forever. Y'all let me know how you guys feel about these in the comment section below. And of course, man, I always appreciate you guys checking out my videos and just kicking with your boy Talking Sneakers, man. This is a big W for me, man. Mwah. We out. You guys are not gonna stay for the outfits? Nah, man, check this out, check this out. Your boy came sick with it.